For decades, large companies have been trying to dominate the packaged juice market. We have seen everything from Real, Tropicana, and Be Natural to Minute Maid and Patanjali. But it seems like people's favorite doesn't come from any of these large companies. This is quite ironic, given that companies like Real and Tropicana, despite having crores of rupees and thousands of employees in their arsenal, yet they are getting crushed by a relatively small startup.
The winner, ladies and gentlemen, is Hector Beverages, the makers of the Paperboat brand of
Paperboat, a brand that's really been making a name for itself when it comes to indigenous
These
drinks.
disruptors have vowed to disrupt the beverage industry and in the process create a brand they want us to fall in love with, Paperboat.
Paperboat is a brand of traditional Indian beverages and foods produced, which has its headquarters in Bangalore, India, marketed by Hector Beverages, which was founded by Neeraj Kakkar, Neeraj Bayani, Suhas Mishra, and James Nuttall. Introducing it into the market at first, Paperboat offered only two items named Jaljeera and Aam Panna, but gradually the brand started to expand its business. As of now, it offers drinks like Nibu Pani, Golgappa Pani, Jamun Kala Khatta, Alfonso Aam, Lychee Ras, and many more. The brand also offers various milk beverages such as buttermilk, Thandai, Neer More, and Badam milk. In 2016, Paperboat launched its first food product named Peanut Chikki, which was a snack. After this, the brand has released some more food products such as Aam Papad, Namak Para, and Shakkar Para. In 2018, Paperboat had launched a new product named Coconut Water. There are also two seasonal drinks that the brand offers during special occasions such as Ram Navami and Eid. As a brand relying on age-old recipes and memories, Paperboat's marketing strategy revolves around nostalgia, childhood, and innocence. The company's beverages are drinks that consumers grew up drinking and carry a strong association with. Their television advertising campaign comprises a series of simple, evocative ads that reflect the childhood nostalgia. Paperboat's debut campaign was penned and narrated by the renowned poet and lyricist Gulzar. The latter campaign was written by lyricist Swanand Kirkare. Apart from its television ads, the brand has also released a range of short films celebrating childhood memories and nostalgia as part of the Paperboat marketing strategy. Right Down the River of Memories, Waiting for Ma, My Struggles with the Treasure Chest, and My First Train Ride are all short films aimed at bringing out the child in us. The videos used animation, narration, and strong characterization to tell a moving tale. As this is the era of social media, every brand and company tries to get a good number of followers. With drinks and memories as their tagline, it leveraged the feeling of nostalgia and induces the feelings of memories through its illustrations and videos to connect with its audience. Paperboat started its journey in 2013, but it did not take them much time to become one of the best beverage brands of India. The brand is very creative when it comes to marketing and promoting its products. It has also started to export its products to different countries such as Dubai, Malaysia, UK, and USA. This kind of steady progression will surely help the brand to be more successful, and one day soon it will dominate the global market of beverages.